Alright, what's up guys? I'm here to make another video. It's gonna be a real quick one. I'm gonna just show you how to change the lock knobs real quick. Look. Super easy. The other ones I just got these. I'm gonna change my old ones out. Something to look a little better, you know? Alright guys, look. What we do is you twist this off. Alright. Like that. You grab your new one. You grab the one you're gonna replace it with. Just twist it back on. Real easy, look. Look how much better that looks. To me, that look better. Look at that. To everything. And then, yeah, same thing to the other side. Twist it off. You can see how messed up it is. How old it is. Alright. Two old ones. Look at the difference. These. Look at this one. Alright. Same thing. Goes on, just twist on. Alright. That's it guys. How to change your lock knobs on a 83 Regal or any G body. Alright guys. Alright guys, that's the lock knob right there. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, let me know. Look at that. I think it looks a lot better than the old ones. Alright guys. Damn. Okay, cool. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.